guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, where we're going to be learning all things fantastic food and crazy cocktails, as well as learning some of the health benefits behind the foods that you can integrate into your diet and the history behind some of the world's best cocktails. To have a look at some of those foods, let me show you this short clip where we can look at some of the foods that I'm creating and I'm going to be sharing with you so you can cook along with me from your own kitchen. As food, we're also going to be looking at some amazing cocktail recipes that are well known around the world. So let's have a look at some of the cocktails that I'm going to be teaching you and then you can learn about throughout this YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, we're not only learning about amazing vegan food and crazy cocktails, we're also going to be looking at the health benefits that you can get from a vegan plant-based diet. You can get more information on this every week in your inbox if you head over to my website in the description below and sign up to my newsletter, where you'll receive 3 vegan recipes and 2 cocktail recipes every week straight into your inbox, along with all of the health benefits that you can get from the foods that you're eating. So that's what we're going to be doing on this YouTube channel. I'm going to be sharing with you some amazing vegan cook-along recipes, as well as some brilliant cocktail recipes. If you like the look of that, then subscribe down below. And if you want to see some of the pictures along the way and a bit more about my life, then follow me on Instagram at chef_Hampshire. If you want to know more about the health benefits and get some extra recipes straight into your inbox, then head over to the description below and subscribe to my newsletter. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed this video, and peace. See you later.